Hi there, I'm Phil Dawson, I'm the Chief Executive of Skyscape Cloud Services. We're the market-leading provider of assured cloud computing services to the UK public sector, or 28,916 organisations that are now able to buy cloud services through the government's G-Cloud framework. We provide services on an easy-to-adopt, easy-to-use and easy-to-leave philosophy, on the basis that we want to make it easy for government customers to procure cloud and secure the real true benefits of the agility and cost savings that exist with the delivery of cloud services. The reason we're able to do that and why cloud is important is it's underpinned by fundamental economies of scale. There are savings to be made by operating from huge data centres across 2 facilities through operating management and network platforms of a scale that would traditionally only be seen in a telecoms or a large enterprise. Operating storage and compute platforms from our partners who are market leading in their own right, and also providing protective monitoring of a kind that's traditionally only been available to the main military and national security services. So our partners are all motivated. We use Arc Continuity for our data centres, EMC for our storage, VCE for the V-block converged computing, our hypervisor layer and virtualization technologies from VMware. Cisco provide the networking and management platforms, and the protective monitoring is delivered through Kinetic. And our alliance is really established to change the way that government is able to use cloud computing at a lower cost. In addition to the economies of scale, there's also savings from the utilisation of multiple partners on there with different demand patterns, but more particularly from the use of automation, which drives out huge costs. And like Toyota and the Japanese were able to do in the automotive industries in the 1980s, we were able to bring a compliant, process-controlled activity and automate it and deliver it to deliver quality at scale. Our customers are organisations like Government Digital Services, who amongst many things are responsible for the gov.uk domain. So today 24 central government departments and 32 other government agencies now operate their websites on the Skyscape infrastructure. In addition to that, we're operating at the highest security levels of Impact Level 3 for organisations like HMRC, Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, who are now centralising all their storage from their 600 and so offices around the UK onto 2 centralised storage platforms. For the Home Office, who are operating the disclosure and barring service now at Impact Level 3, that provides the appropriate check-in for anybody who's working with children and vulnerable adults. So every teacher, every coach in the country, more than 4 million CRB requests a year, all on an infrastructure that needs to be assured and highly available. We also provide services through the traditional incumbents, the systems integrators like Capgemini, Capita, Lockheed Martin and Steria, who now have built the future of their businesses in the UK public sector on Skyscape. And increasingly we are working with them to take out more cost, add more value to the customer. Because fundamentally Skyscape is able to deliver on an apples-for-apples basis at a lower cost and better value than anybody. Any public cloud operator, anybody else. For UK government, we do it better than anybody. We deliver the assurance as well. In addition to our customer base, we also operate a range of services from beyond infrastructure as a service. So the traditional compute where people buy virtual machines by the hour, gigabytes by the hour, not people by the hour, which has been the traditional model. But we also are able to provide Cloud Foundry, a platform as a service, which is the next generation of cloud computing services. And this together provides a rich and assured infrastructure for a growing ecosystem of independent software vendors who are increasingly marketing their services as a software as a service, where the user only pays per user per month as they consume the software rather than a big license fee up front. So we're really excited by Skyscape and where we're growing, where we've come from. But this isn't about being a people organisation, it's being growing people to grow the business. It's about using the talent and insight and innovation and creativity that exist in that talented team of people to make the technology manage the technology, not people manage the technology. And that again is a key factor through automation orchestration of driving cost out. And we're making a difference. It's really important to us as a group of people that we can make a difference to the delivery of IT services in the UK public sector. To take out the cost, to improve the agility, to allow other organisations to deliver better services at the front line for the end government departments. Thank you.